Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. Come on, let's get into this video. We have a special custom order to fill. Come on. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. I have an order that I have to fulfill, so I decided to come and bring you along so I can do the packaging of the order. I'm going to use these blue bags today, this ribbon, and I already have the labels. And of course, as you can see, we are doing Feel Better. So that's the front, and we have the back label with all the ingredients on it. Okay? Chill Out Friday. I believe this is Chill Out Friday today. Chill Out Friday. Go get your favorite beverage and come and chill out with me. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. Feel Better is made with menthol crystals. We made them, I think, last week. Look how they look. Let me show them to you. So I decided to do blue, and that's a little bath bomb colorant powder. Gave it a little blue tint. Twist your bag just a little. I'm going to bring and tie a knot. My labels to the front. And then I just tie a bow. And that is simple as that. Friday, the weekend is here. Yay! I know you're happy about that, right? For the weekend. Give a clap for the weekend. Cheers for the weekend. Take it. Take some of that bag off. You don't need all that bag. And there we go. Feel Better. So, Feel Better. Shower steamer, all natural aromatherapy with menthol crystals. And the back ingredient says, ingredients: baking soda, citric acid, witch hazel, or water, essential or fragrant oils. Caution, shower use only. And that's our shower steamer. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just repeat the process. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, take it easy. That's the quote of today. Take it easy. Perfect quote for a Good Friday, right? Just take it easy. Relax. Just stop what you're doing and just chill out for a minute. Gather your thoughts and just chill out. I believe these bags came from the 99-cent store. I had them for a while. I really can't remember. But you can pick them up. I believe. I got them from the 99-cent store. Go over to the party section, probably. All right, take off some of that bag. We don't need it. And there you go. Do you like the blue color? Something different, right? You can make them any color you want. You can just leave them white. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Make sure you get your tag and your ribbon. Very simple, very simple. All right. Just twist it. Comment down below, which one do you like? Do you like the blue or do you like me to keep them white? Comment down below. I'm going to take you on to some music right after this one. All that rambling talking. Those who sent me love mail, I thank you. I appreciate it so much. And my mailbox. Thank you so much for the love mail. I truly appreciate it. We are completed with our special order. Okay, I have one more to do. I'll come back in another video before we can get back to our regular scheduled program, all right? Love you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend.